Today we're doing a quick check on a 1979 Lennox air conditioning unit. The coil is clean and in good shape. The unit did have a branch hit it, but that didn't stop it. This unit has a start capacitor, relay, fan capacitor, compressor capacitor, high limit reset switch, crankcase switch, and an Emerson Sure switch contactor upgrade. The start capacitor checks out properly. The fan capacitor checks out properly. The compressor capacitor checks out properly. The blinking green light on the Emerson Sure switch lets us know we're ready to fire this unit up.